In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about the difference between statements and expressions. Let's begin with expressions. Expressions comprise of various values and variables that are added on together in order to compute a value. So, for example, an expression could be 5 plus 5, which is a computation of two numbers that result into a value. Likewise, we can declare a variable, let's say age, and assign it a value, let's say 26, and I can perform the following computation: age plus 5 will equal 31. So the age plus 5 portion is actually an expression. I can also make it just a bit weirder, so let's say age plus 5 plus hello world, and if I add all together, this is going to result into this string being output as a result of this expression evaluation. Now, on the other hand, statements are a list of instructions that JavaScript code is executed on. So, for example, we can have an if-else statement. So, if age is greater than 25, then I can perform some instructions inside this block. So, what I'm going to say is console log, you are over the age of 25, else, and we're going to console log again, you are under the age of 25. I can run this statement, and this is why it's called an if statement. What I have inside here is an evaluation of an expression. However, inside this if-else blocks, there's actually a statement called console log, and the reason why we consider it a statement is because it is an instruction, and the instruction is to output to the console the value you are over the age of 25. So pretty much the difference between statements and expressions is that expressions compute a value, whereas statements actually perform a particular action or instruction based on the provided expression or other keywords or something else. So that's pretty much it. That's what the difference between statements and expressions are. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.